Dr. Bosa science, Kwano Kabeti science, Love ya Bosa science, Truth in a beta, truth in omega, truth in alpha science.
The Science Foundation College enamave ku Lwejjinja ng'oyingira kilomita emu. Somero lya Dene Boarding eri abawala n'abalenzi. Ku O-level tusomesa arts ne sciences ate A-level tusomesa sciences zokka. Omwana mulete ku The Science Foundation College. Ffe tusinga okusomesa sciences. Okumanya ebisingawo kuba ku 0753 8 27 09. The Science Foundation College, based on sciences and based for sciences.
Dr. Bosa is a teacher at the Science Foundation College, the best school that teaches sciences. At A level, we teach sciences only. At O level, we teach arts and sciences. Today, we are going to study alcohols. Alcohols are saturated hydrocarbon compounds with at least one hydrogen atom replaced by an hydroxyl group. Classification according to the number of hydroxyl groups on the hydrocarbon skeleton. A. Monohydric alcohols have got one hydroxyl group on the parent hydrocarbon chain. Example: ethanol, propane 2-ol. B. Dihydric alcohols have got two hydroxyl groups attached to the hydrocarbon chain. Example: an example is ethane 1,2-diol. Trihydric alcohols have got three hydroxyl groups. For example, propane 1,2,3-triol. Classification of monohydric alcohols according to the number of alkyl groups attached to a carbon atom that carry OH group. We have already seen this one when we studied the alkenes. They are classified according to the number of alkyl groups attached to a carbon atom that carry OH group. Primary alcohols, these have one alkyl group attached to a carbon atom that carry OH group. For example, ethanol. In ethanol, one methyl group is attached to a carbon atom that carry OH group. The second example is in the propane 1-ol, an ethyl group is attached to the carbon atom that carry OH group. Secondary alcohols I've got two alkyl groups attached to a carbon atom that carry OH group. An example is propan-2-ol. In propan-2-ol, two methyl groups are attached to a carbon atom that carry OH group. A second example is butan-2-ol. In butan-2-ol, a methyl group and an acyl group are attached to a carbon atom that carry OH group. Tertiary alcohols have got three alkyl groups attached to a carbon atom that carry OH group. An example is 2-methyl propan-2-ol. In 2-methyl propan-2-ol, three methyl groups are attached to a carbon atom that carry OH group. Physical properties. Alcohols have got higher melting points and boiling points compared to non-polar compounds of similar molecular mass. 2. Lower members are soluble in water, but solubility decreases as the chain length increases. Preparation 1. By reacting alkenes with dilute sulfuric or phosphoric acids. An example, propene plus water in the presence of an acid. When we put H, we mean either phosphoric acid or sulfuric acid. We get mechanism. One of the double bond breaks and the pair of electron is donated to a hydrogen ion from sulfuric or phosphoric acid. Hydrogen goes to carbon atom with the highest number of hydrogen atoms. A positive charge goes to a carbon atom with the least number of hydrogen atoms. Then water uses a pair of electron to react with a positive carbon. Then we get loss of a proton forms propan-2-ol. Loss of a proton forms propan-2-ol. Forms propan-2-ol. Example 2. 2-methylpropene, add sulfuric acid and warm. Pause, complete, and then write a mechanism. I hope you have got mechanism. One of the double bond breaks, and a pair of electrons is donated to a proton from sulfuric acid. Hydrogen ion goes to the carbon atom with the highest number of hydrogen atoms. So you get a positive charge goes to a carbon atom with the least number of hydrogen atoms. Water uses a pair of electrons to react with a positive charge. We get a protonated alcohol. Loss of a proton will give you 2-methyl, propan 2-ol. B. Ethanol is produced by fermentation of glucose. So glucose undergoes fermentation in the presence of yeast to form ethanol and carbon dioxide. Glucose undergoes fermentation in the presence of yeast to produce ethanol and carbon dioxide. C. Methanol is produced by catalytic reduction of carbon monoxide. So carbon monoxide plus hydrogen in presence of chromium trioxide at 300 degrees Celsius and 200 atmosphere, you will get methane. D. By reduction of carbonyl compounds, ethanol plus lithium aluminum hydride in the presence of dry ether will give you ethanol. Will give you ethanol. Propanol is reduced by lithium aluminum hydride in dry ether to propane 2-ol. To propane to propan 2-ol. E. Reduction of carboxylic acids. For example, ethanoic acid is reduced by lithium aluminum hydride to ethanol. by hydrolysis of alkyl halides with sodium or potassium hydroxide solutions. The mechanism depends on the class of alkyl halides. Primary alkyl halides undergo SN2 mechanism. Tertiary alkyl halide undergo SN1 mechanism. Secondary alkyl halide undergo either SN1 or SN2. Alright, then we'll react with sodium hydroxide to form ether. Mechanism OH ion uses a pair of electron to displace a chlorine ion from the carbon to form ether. The reaction is SN2 substitution nucleophilic by molecular. The slow step involves two molecules, the hydroxide ions and then the alkyl halide. By molecular, slow step involves two molecules, that is the hydroxide ion and then the alkyl halide. Tertiary alkyl halide. An example is 2-bromo, 2-methyl propane. Will undergo hydrolysis to form methyl propane to ol. Mechanism methyl propane is a tertiary alkyl halide, so it first loses a bromine ion you get a protonated alcohol, then OH ion uses a pair of electrons to react with the positive charge to form methyl propane to ol, and it is one word.
Omukyala kyakufumbira kyolya, omukyala kyakufumbira kyolya, naye lwaki mono ku muntu womala kuyomba, mono ku muntu womala kulwana, mono ku muntu wotujereka, lwaki wangana okulya mu kyalo, lwaki woza simalako olimba, olusi wogifumbira waba kulwaza, olusi wogifumbira waba wakyamu, omulungi atanabakanyiwa, n'obutayoza kiba kikyamu, entiko oyo mukwano kisenge lwaki naye lwaki mondo ku muntu womala kuyomba mondo ku muntu womala kulwana mondo ku muntu wotujereka lwaki wangana okulya mu kyalo ofumba obwagala lisaaki okunyuma wange nsiba mu lisaaki mondo okumukutandwawo mondo okumunyima ntabuka mondo okumuzima kuba mondo okuwomerwa kiva ku mazzi wetegekere muno nfunira akaseera akamala ozanyisa omutwe ogwanyumirwa wagazanyisa mipiira anyumisa zanyisa baluni zanyisa amabeere lusinyoka n'okuyonka anyumirwe faayo faayo omukwano gwagala kuyiya ofumba ogwagala lisaaki okunyuma wange nsiba mu lisaaki bweruba oluganda nsobola okuwasa omukyala abawuwo njagala omukyala abaawo betita yombayomba betita nyiganyiga betita ganagana oyagala akawunga abaawo oyagala omuceere abaawo enyimba z'omupiira asobola anyumisa nyumirwa omukwano gwe mondo ku muntu womala kuyomba mondo ku muntu womala kulwana mondo ku muntu wotujereka lwaki mondo ku muntu womala kuyomba mondo ku muntu womala kulwana mondo ku muntu wotujereka lwaki